Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I bring you the HP 360 MV. It's a beauty, it's in silver color. You can see the HP logo classic up front, just like so. It's 1.3 kilograms, so not that much, although in the long run you can feel it. It has NV here. If you don't see it because of the light here, I did it in the B-roll, and it has a nice touch of darker patterns. Also, it can be seen better in the B-roll. As long as ports go and switches, you can see the USB-A here. This is the power button, 2.5mm jack, and SD card. Yes, it takes the SD card too, which is great for photography and so what and not what. Volume rocker, the fingerprint scanner, interesting also, USB-C, going modern, another USB-A, and the HDMI. Opening it up, by the way, part of its name is 360 because it goes 360, and it is a 15.6 inch touchscreen. It is a beauty, 1080p, as you can see here. It's touchscreen everywhere. This is my channel, by the way, TechDaveMT, and as you can see here, we can grab the laptop and go either this way, which is like holding it like so, and you can even obviously work like so, or as tablet style, you completely close it like that and hold it maybe even on your laps or like that, watching TikTok or my channel, why not? For example, the keyboard is on the back, obviously, like so. It isn't functional at that moment in time, so you don't need to worry. Anyways, a short video just to show you this beauty of a laptop. As you can already saw and noticed from the B-roll, we have the NV name here and Bang & Olufsen, which is interesting for the sound system. The speaker is up here, and also we have i7 and GeForce by NVIDIA in the house, under the hood, so to say. What else can we say about this laptop? It has silver touches around the pad here, and also at its joints on the hinge. Nice touches. It has also the rubber here, not to slide, okay, while you're at the coffee shop or at your desk like me, doing some productive work. It has quite fast 256 gigabytes under the hood of SSD, that's why it's fast to upload. An 8th generation Intel i7, as I told you, a touchscreen, 15.6 inches, and the display is LED Full HD, and also the fingerprint reader, which I already showed you. Bluetooth, Wi-Fi under the hood, obviously. It's a nice laptop. Tell me what you think about it in the comments below. Until the next one, see ya.